morning. We are looking at some mostly cloudy skies in the valley. And when I say cloudy, I mean those clouds are right at the surface. That fog really blocking our view here this afternoon. But I will say that we can see the road surface now, and that wasn't the case not too long ago. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that we've got some improvement happening here in Fargo. We have seen that happen in other places in the valley. So here's the latest look at the visibility. Earlier this morning, if you were up with us, we were talking about zero visibility in places like Oak, stretching up toward Langdon. Now it's looking a lot better here. We've got a pretty good visibility in these areas, and even Grand Forks at 8 miles. But this fog has shifted eastward, so we're looking at a quarter-mile visibility in Wahpeton. Fargo still less than a mile at the airport. Up into Polk County and Thief River Falls and Fosston in Polk County, only 0 your visibility. So we're really stuck with some of that dense fog still. But gradually we've been seeing that improvement from west to east. So I'm hopeful as we head into the afternoon we'll see some improvement. And Fargo and Wahpeton, you're kind of right on the line there of where we're seeing a lot better visibility and where it's still pretty dense here. So maybe in the next couple of hours. Over to, again, the northeast, that's where we're seeing the worst of it at this point in time in the northwestern part of Minnesota. That's also an area that's seen some icing happening, some areas of slick roads too up in Grand Forks and beyond. The DOT just updated its site, and it's looking a little bit better in some of those locations as these temperatures rise and those roads get treated too. We're looking at some 30s. It's 31 in Grand Forks and in Fargo, 36 over in Jamestown, and some upper 30s over to the east. Wadena doing pretty well here at 39 degrees. Visibility is down. The wind is also down. We're looking at wind speeds less than 10 miles per hour and variable at this point in time. Gradually, though, we'll start to see that wind shift to a northwesterly direction into tonight. So we still have some clouds lifting into the valley from the southwest, some areas of some drizzle and freezing drizzle out there still too. And as we expand the view, you can see things are pretty quiet out to the west of us. You can even see some clearing in western North Dakota, some rain showers. If you're heading south, you're going to likely run into some rain at some point if you continue in that direction. There's a system moving through Iowa right now. That's system 1. The second one that moves through some of those same areas this weekend, going to bring some snow, and we'll take a look at that in a moment. Here in the valley for today, over the next 24 hours or so, we'll see those clouds really just kind of hang on. Even if we can get rid of the fog, which we're doing so, we'll still have that cloud cover overhead. So as we head into the afternoon hours today, temperatures in the 30s, and then tonight that wind shifts northeasterly, or northwesterly rather, starts to pick up late tonight. That will help to usher in some cooler and drier air too, and we may see a few flurries with that as that moves in. And by the time we get into tomorrow morning, we're looking at temperatures into the 20s rather for the day, and that wind out of the northwest with mostly cloudy skies for your Saturday. And that basically is just how our Saturday is going to be. We do want to take a look. If you're going to be traveling outside of the valley, or maybe you know somebody who's heading home this weekend, there's one storm system that we're keeping an eye on. So this is through Saturday morning. That first round of rain moves off to the east, and then here's the next one, a winter storm into South Dakota. Some snow showers during the evening hours Saturday, sweeps through Omaha and then goes back up through Chicago on Sunday. So that could affect flights through O'Hare on the afternoon and evening hours Sunday and beyond. So something that you'll want to watch out for if you know you have family heading this way, if you're thinking about hitting the road this weekend. Here's a look at your 7-day planner. We're going to see some numbers that are sliding back into the 20s tomorrow, teens on Sunday, and as we head into next week, starting off the week on a pretty cold note, we're going to be into the teens to start off in single digits in the morning. So right back to wintry weather here now that Thanksgiving is over.
Just can't escape it.
I know, it keeps coming back, and it's going to be here to stay for a while.
All right.
Probably once we get into mid-December.
More than likely.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lisa.